A lot of people think that being a social media manager is just about posting content on Instagram. It's not. In 2026, majorly business are looking for someone who can help them out in terms of growing their followers, build their brand, increase their visibility, get more leads for their business. So the one who can actually understand the psychology of their customer behind their product. So it's no more about just posting content. And let me tell you, this market is becoming competitive day by day because a lot of people are starting their journey as a social media manager. But you just need the right skills if you really want to tap into this industry. You don't need to learn 50 skills, just the right ones. So in this video, I'll break down the important skills that you need to have if you are looking to get started as a social media manager in 2026. For those who don't know me, I run a marketing agency with my husband where we help coaches and consultants in growing their businesses online through the power of content, ads, and systems. So while working with a lot of clients, one thing I have realized, the biggest mistake that social media management are doing currently in the market, especially the one who has just got started into this industry, is they are focusing a lot in terms of designing and editing part. And let me tell you, these skills are the one that matter least. Clients who are going to work with you, they're looking for the skills like communication, strategy, your consistency, your mindset. So this is something that will going to bring the clients for you. So number one is content creation knowledge. So this is the basic thing that is important for a social media management journey. So you need to be aware about the designing part, the editing part, but again the basic. So for the designing, you can use Canva. For the editing, you can use InShot, or you can just do or edit from the Instagram itself, right? Second of all, you need to be aware about what kind of hooks you need to create, because now the market is all about attention. If you're able to grab the attention, then great, and that's what your clients are looking for. See, one thing I've noticed, the simple content is outperforming from the over edited content, right? So your content needs to be around which is grabbing the attention of the audience. Storytelling format needs to be there, and the proper call to action. So these are the basic fundamentals that you need to be aware about. So rather than focusing on the high level of designing and editing part, start focusing on these areas, because this is something that will going to bring the results for your clients. Number two, communication skills. See, this is the underrated skill, but one of the most important. Why so? If you're not able to communicate your ideas with your team or client, then you won't be able to work with them for the long term. And at the end, client is looking for the same thing. So as a social media manager, you need to be aware about how to communicate confidently when it comes to having a call with your clients, how to talk with your teams internally. Plus, there's a lot of communication that happen over a WhatsApp group as well. So you need to be great enough in terms of your WhatsApp communication as well. I have seen like a lot of people don't know how to communicate over the WhatsApp. They talk like thumbs up. Okay, no, this is not how you need to communicate with a client. This is one of the skills that can help you charge high as well in the market. Number three, understanding human psychology. So this is where the average social media manager and the smart social media manager differs, because social media is not just content, it's about psychology. So you should understand like what made people stop scrolling, right? What made them buy the product? What made them trust? What made them like engage on a particular post? So these are the things you need to capture and analyze. Because again, if you're trying to follow a template for every client, the same template, then you won't be able to get them the result. So you need to understand the industry, you need to understand about these fundamentals. That's why hook, emotion, storytelling plays one of the most important role when it comes to the content part. If you're enjoying this video till now, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Number four, adaptability. One of the most important skill if you really want to survive and grow into this market. See, social media keeps on changing. New platform, new AI tool, new algorithm, new trend, right? So the best social media managers are not the one who knows everything, but they are the one who keep on learning consistently. So if you stay adaptable into this market, you will keep on growing. But if not, there are other people who can replace you. Number five, start creating content. Yes, if you literally want to have clients consistently, then you need to have a presence of yours as well. I'm not saying you need to have a lot of followers, no, but the presence is important, because at the end, people connect to a person to whom they see on social media, right? So your visibility is important. start reflecting your journey, your working style, your content tips, your content strategy. So this is something that will help you out in building more trust in front of the clients with whom you literally want to work with. Even if you're a beginner, start building your own brand. Number 6, strategic thinking. See, the client is not looking for the one who can just post on their social media. No, they are looking for the growth, visibility, leads, revenue. So you need to have a knowledge about like how to create a content strategy, right? About human psychology, a little bit knowledge about the funnel, because at the end, the purpose of their content creation is just one thing, that is to get leads and sales out of the same. So grabbing the knowledge about funnel is something going to make you stand out in the market and would make you the real marketer, not just a content creator. And this is what the clients are looking for. Honestly, social media management is not about being perfect. It's about learning consistently, keep on upskilling yourself, being adaptable with the market, right? You have to think out of the box as well. Understand what exactly your client is looking for, how you need to build a connection when it comes to working with your team, working with your client, how you can get the result. So at the end, try to understand what's the output, then the whole journey follows, right? So don't think like, I need to be perfect, I need to get this much of followers, my reel needs to be viral, then only I'll be able to help them out. No, start learning, start executing. Most of the things you would going to learn while executing, because this industry is more about practicality, not the theory. I keep on conducting few workshops and events for the one who are looking to get started as a social media manager. So if you're a one, so please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Over here you will be finding the scanner. So scan this thing and follow me over there, because this is the first place where you would be finding all the information about my workshops and events. So looking forward to see you over there. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for such more valuable content.